In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the engine splash shield on this Honda Civic. This is the piece of plastic that sits below and behind the front bumper to protect the engine from any splashes. Let's get started. Although you do not need to lift the vehicle in the air for this, it does make it easier since it sits pretty close to the ground and everything we need to access is underneath. So do what you have to do to safely get access underneath the vehicle. If you turn the steering wheel to one side or the other, depending on which side you're working on, you'll see two push clips in each fender well. This shield here is actually part of the splash shield underneath. You'll have to pop off the center of the push clip in order to release the rest of it. There it is. Same over here, and really same for any other push clip. With these two removed, you should be able to pull this shield down. There are a bunch more push clips running across the front. On the other side, spin the wheel the other direction and remove the last two push clips. And pull down the shield. There it is. Now take the new shield and slide it up into position here. Secure it with the two push clips. There we go. Make sure everything clips in. Now put the liner back on the front here, and remember that it goes underneath this piece of the bumper cover. I'm going to clip in the push clips that line up for now, just so I can allow it to stay in place. This one right here, that'll hold it for me. Bring this shield up by the wheel well and put in the last two push clips. All right, that is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.